Okay, girl, I'm so happy. I just got an email. I was checking him. Elisha. He got accepted into the ninth grade collegiate academy where he will be graduating with a associate degree. You know, where they have our children they get college courses. Now, one of the good things, he won't have to pay for an associate's degree. Through the public school system, they will be paying for it. So I'm really happy for him. I am familiar with the program that they have here, in Texas. But if you have a program around for your kids, middle school, junior high, stuff like that, then you might want to look into it as a parent. So yeah, I'm really happy. I just made my appointment to for the parent appointment and all of that. So I'm gonna go in March. So because he'll be starting in the fall, So yeah, girl. See, our kids' steps is ordered. I know, mine are. They're ordered, and I thank God for that. I do. So anyway, I just got that good news and wanted to, get on here real quick and be like, wow, okay, this is good for him. Okay, thank you, God. All right, be back later. Bye. He used to get beads up in his hair and stuff, so let me pick some up real quick. I was looking for actually a little short one. Girl, I mean, it's just too much, right? Just too much. Overwhelming.
Woman's daughter. Say, what a prescription mother and daughter. So the daughter now told the daughter.